Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this premium Smokin' Joe's barbecue brisket chili. This was on sale. Got this at Costco. And check this out. As you can see, there's the item number there. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And there's the nutrient panel. There it is. Let's open this up. Okay, so there's 2 packets in there. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to cook it up. And I'll do a quick taste test. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so it's all done. Here's the chili. It has an amazing smoky aroma to it, which is really neat. So let's do a quick taste test. There it is. It's got a lot of flavor. That smokiness comes through all the way into the bite. And the chili is really good. It's actually quite decent, I have to admit, guys. I wish there was more meat in it, but you see this brisket? It's so tiny. The chunks actually in the picture are actually much bigger, but the brisket's almost like smallest chunks I've ever seen. So otherwise, it's pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.